Hello everyone, I'm Bhavesh. Welcome back. If you're watching this video, there is a good chance you're asking one of these questions. Should I learn AS400? Does IBM still have jobs? Is AS400 a dead technology? And perhaps the most important question, will learning AS400 help my career? In this video, we are going to answer all of those questions honestly, not as recruiters, not as salespeople, not as managers, but from the perspective of developers and IT professionals who work with IBM every day. So, is AS400 a dead technology? Let's address the elephant in the room. People have been predicting the death of AS400 for decades. Yet, IBM continues to run critical workloads in banking, insurance, manufacturing, and other sectors like retail, logistics, healthcare, and on. Many organizations have applications that have been running successfully for decades. The platform may not be trendy, but it is still widely used. So, no, AS400 is not dead. So, why do companies still use IBM? There are three major reasons. Number one, reliability. IBM systems are known for stability and uptime. Number two, security. IBM has a strong reputation for protecting business critical data. Number three, cost of migration. Many companies have invested decades of development into their IBM applications. Replacing those systems is expensive, risky, and time consuming. Because of this, demand for IBM skills continues to exist. So, what is the current job market? The job market is different from other mainstream technologies like Java developers or .NET developers. You won't find as many openings as Java, .NET, or Python developers. However, the competition is much less. Many experienced IBM professionals are approaching retirement. Companies still need developers and administrators to support existing systems. This creates a very good opportunity for people who are willing to learn this platform. So, what should be your salary expectations? Salary depends on the country in which you are living in, how many years of experience you have, the specific functional industry like insurance or banking you're in, and the core technical skills you have. Generally speaking, a developer who understands RPG free format, COBOL programming, or a related framework, CL programming, SQL, IBM administration is usually more valuable than someone who knows only the basics of a language. The more business knowledge you gain, the more valuable you become. So, what skills do you need today? For developers, you need to understand RPG free format, COBOL, CL, SQL, DB2 for I, service programs. And for administrators, they need to know user management, backup and recovery, job management, security, performance monitoring. There is also an opening for production support, where if you are able to identify issues, you should be able to make a good buck. For modernization projects, if you know REST APIs, Visual Studio Code for I, Git, open source technologies, then you're all set. These skills are becoming increasingly important. So, what should be your learning roadmap? If I was starting today, I would learn in this order. Step 1, understand IBM fundamentals. Learn the libraries, objects, jobs, subsystems, and so on. Step 2, learn CL programming. This helps you understand the operating system in detail. Step 3, learn DB2 for I, that is the database, and SQL. Database knowledge is very essential. Step 4, learn RPG free format, learn COBOL. This remains the primary business language on IBM. Step 5, learn modern development tools like Visual Studio Code for I, Git and GitHub, REST APIs. This combination makes you much more marketable. So, how is the market for freshers versus experienced professionals? For freshers, you should not rely exclusively on IBM. You should combine it with SQL, APIs, Git, Linux fundamentals, the command line. This gives you flexibility. For experienced developers from other technologies, IBMI can be an excellent niche specialization. Many organizations struggle even today to find skilled IBMI professionals. So, what is the future of IBMI? Will IBMI dominate the future? Probably not. Will it disappear soon? Also unlikely. The most likely future is continued modernization, increased API integration, hybrid cloud deployments, open source adoption. IBMI will continue evolving alongside modern technologies. So, should you learn AS400 now? Yes, if you're willing to become a specialist. But also, no, if you're only looking for the most popular technology stack, IBM may not be the largest market, but it remains as a stable and valuable niche with real career opportunities. So, if you combine IBMI skills with modern technologies such as SQL, APIs, Git, and cloud concepts, you'll be in a very strong position. That is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like these kind of videos, kindly do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.